Hi guys, Princewill here again. So today I'll be talking about why you should invest in these. Go back to scratch, the drawing board. Let's talk about investing with this good example that I thought of while I was sleeping, or was it while I was awake? Anyhow, I thought of the example. So imagine you have a mango and you put in your fridge. Okay, that's saving. Don't do that. Don't put your mango in your fridge. But instead of putting your mango in your fridge, you carry your mango and you go and plant it behind your backyard. And this your mango then grows into a tree. That's your asset. Then this tree starts bearing fruits the following year. That will bear you like hundreds of mangoes. So basically, one mango turned into hundreds of mangoes. So imagine if you kept that your mango in your fridge, right? That your mango would have still been, that one mango still be that one mango, and you'd have eaten it, and that's done. So now, with that, we should understand how investing work. From one mango to a lot of mangoes, and over the years that particular tree, that's the asset, keeps on producing more mangoes every year, so you're having more mangoes. So we'll be talking about the things you should invest in. First of all, real estate. I know you people complain that I don't have enough money, I don't have millions to invest in real estate. Yeah, but there are apps that you could actually invest in real estate. You could actually contribute a percentage of money to buying the land or buying the building, and then when the building sells off, or when it sells off, you earn the percentage of money. Like you get, when they're sharing the interest, you get percentage. If you imputed 10% of the capital, you get 10% interest from the interest. So basically you're still profiting without putting millions of money, millions of naira or millions of dollars into buying that asset. So second thing you can invest in, high risk or high interest savings account. Accounts like PIGGYVEST, CarryWise that gives 10% interest rates. 10% interest rate is good, but I don't really advise saving. But this high risk, high interest savings account is in between savings and investing. So it's actually good. Probably to keep your money for when you find good opportunities to invest. You just to hedge against inflation, keeping the high risk, high interest, why did I keep on saying risk? High interest savings account. The next thing you should invest in is foreign stocks. Yeah, I know we all want to avoid Naira because Naira is going down. Yeah, so you can buy stocks like Amazon, Tesla, you name it, all these popping big companies. And I know you can't easily find, like, because you're living here, so you can't actually go there to buy it. So there are apps that make it easy. Trove app, Bamboo. My next video I'll show you how to use them. Trove app, Bamboo. You can actually invest in good quality stocks, and everything is insured and backed up, and it's legal, perfectly legal. So you can actually invest in this and buy foreign stocks and ETFs and other stuff relating to stocks, to the stock market. The next thing you can invest in, cryptocurrency. But this part of investing is high risk and high reward. Yeah, high risk and high reward. So you should be prepared to lose some and prepared to win some, like, and win big. But before you invest in real estate, I advise you, do your own research. Don't just carry your money and throw into real estate, or generally before you invest in anything, actually do your research so that you don't lose a lot of money, because basically you can lose money. You can lose money if you actually don't do your research. And that's what happens to most people. So always do your research before you actually choose an investment plan. And another thing you can invest in, gold. Yeah, it sounds old and ancient, right? But you can actually invest in gold. So with all this, start investing so that your one mango will turn into a lot of mango and millions of mango, and you have a lot of mango. Basically, the mango here is the money. So goodbye.